Java is a programming language. It is used to create software. Java is very popular. Many devices use Java. Java is known for being portable. This means it can run on different devices. You can write Java code once, then you can use it on computers, phones, and more. Java is used for many things. It is used in web development. It is used to create Android apps. Java is also used in big data and scientific applications. Java is a powerful language. It is a good choice for beginners. To start using Java, you need to set it up. First, you download the Java Development Kit, or JDK. The JDK contains tools for writing and running Java code. You can download the JDK from Oracle's website. Choose the version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions. After installation, you need to set up your environment variables. This tells your computer where to find Java. Next, you need a text editor. You will use this to write your Java code. You can use a simple editor like Notepad. However, an integrated development environment, or IDE, is better. IDEs offer features like code completion and debugging. Java has its own rules for writing code. This is called syntax. Every Java program starts with a class. The class name matches the file name. Inside the class, there is a method. The method is where the program begins execution. Code inside the method is executed line by line. Here is a simple Java program. Public class myFirstProgram, public static void main, string, args, system out.println, hello world. This program prints hello world to the console. In Java, everything revolves around classes and objects. A class is like a blueprint. It defines the structure and behavior of something. An object is an instance of a class. Think of a car blueprint. The class describes its features, color, engine, wheels. A real car, the object, is built based on that blueprint. It has specific values for color, engine type, and so on. Methods are actions that objects can perform. In our car example, driving, braking, and honking the horn are methods. Methods are defined within a class. Classes, objects, and methods are fundamental to Java. Understanding them is key to writing Java programs.